So I just want to summarize a few things at the end of this presentation. One is NEON will be a major new facility for science of the United States. It was included in the President's budget request for the National Science Foundation with a proposed construction budget of $434 million and an operations budget of about $70 million a year. So this is a big thing. It's on the scale of a satellite experiment. It has several missions. It has a basic science discovery mission. We know very little about the dynamics of living systems in a changing environment. The research paradigm for decades or centuries has been a notion of a stationary world that varies but isn't going anywhere in particular. And we know that that is not true now and actually has never been true. And NEON is one of the first systems really designed around that recognition. So it has a very powerful basic science mission which is central to the design of the observatory. And by design, it also has a research to operations mission in partnership with the US and other agencies. First, to develop usable information, as I've described, that can support a wide variety of mission responsibilities for agricultural, forest, hydrological, and human health management activities. And in addition, by making a very long list of observations, each NEON site measures 684 separate primary quantities, identifying new key observations for operational monitoring of systems in perhaps a much more spatially extensive sort of a mode. And this, I think, is one of the important things. One wouldn't expect any operational mission-oriented inventory and monitoring system to have 684 primary observations. For example, the Climate Reference Network has 7, a more manageable number. On the other hand, we don't today know which of those 684 primary observations are going to emerge as really key, cost-effective ways of monitoring change. But one of the types of research activity that NEON supports is identifying those sorts of very high-value observations. And finally, again, in partnership with other federal agencies, we expect to collaborate using NEON as infrastructure on additional research. It's an open platform. It's possible to add sites. It's possible to add sensors to sites. It's possible to add observations to sites. It's possible to add experiments to sites. And it's certainly open to new algorithms and new data processing approaches in the information system. So this should provide really a focal point for collaboration on a wide variety of environmental research problems for both the academic and federal science communities, and it's very much designed in that spirit. Thank you.